Hi, welcome to Miss Hashmi English. Today we'll talk about how to sound more British. There are tips for you. Accent: pay attention to British accents such as received pronunciation, RP, or regional accents like London or Yorkshire. Mimic to all. Vocabulary: incorporate British vocabulary into your speech. Learn common British terms for everyday items and situations. Pronunciation: emphasize certain vowel sounds, such as the A's in bath or the U in bus. Be mindful about use. Intonation: British English often has a distinctive rising and falling intonation pattern. Listen to native speakers to grasp this musicality in speech. Word stress: pay attention to where emphasis falls in a sentence. British English tends to place stress on certain syllables, so observe and imitate. Watch British media, consume British films, TV shows, and news to immerse yourself in the language and absorb the nuances of pronunciation and expressions. Online resources: use online resources, such as pronunciation guides or language learning apps, that specifically focus on British English. Remember, it takes practice and exposure to become more comfortable with any accent. Don't be afraid.